If you're looking for the best neck creams, here's a list you must see. We made this list based on our personal preference and sorted it based on their features, prices, quality, durability, and reputation of the manufacturers and customer feedback. Also, we've included options for every type of customer. So let's get started. At the first position of our list, we have Neutrogena Rapid Wrinkle Repair Moisturizer. Are you worried about wrinkles and dark spots? This neck wrinkle cream from Neutrogena could be your savior. This neck cream contains retinol to rid crow's feet, dark spots, and wrinkles on your face and neck. It also includes other ingredients like glycerine and octisalate, which provide hydration and protect your skin from sun damage. Bring home this replenishing cream and enjoy healthy, younger-looking skin. Moving on to the next at number 2 with Kleem Organics Advanced Retinol Moisturizer. This age-defying solution from Kleem Organics might be the best face and neck cream to fight stubborn wrinkles and age spots. It contains retinol and vitamin E to boost natural collagen production and improve skin elasticity. It also has green tea, jojoba oil, and hyaluronic acid that work together in combating aging, retaining moisture, and preventing sagging. Within no time, we are sure you will achieve the plump and supple skin you've always wanted with this retinol neck cream. The number 3 position is held by Activscience Triple Firming Neck Cream. Are you looking for a neck tightening cream that deeply nourishes and moisturizes your skin? Activscience Neck Cream for sagging skin might be the right choice. It contains aloe vera, avocado oil, and sunflower seed oil to tighten your skin while reducing the appearance of crepey skin and turkey neck. The gentle and nourishing cream also contains olive oil, coconut oil, and glycerine, which replenish the skin with moisture and encourage elastin and collagen production. It is suitable for all skin types and is the ultimate solution for all your aging skin problems. Next at number 4, we have Yeouth Neck Firming Cream. Saggy skin and turkey necks are uninvited guests that appear when skin ages. Yeouth Anti-Aging Neck Cream will help you bid farewell to them forever. The super gentle ingredients of this product will leave you stunned with its nourishing and repairing properties. Enriched with antioxidants of vitamin C and green tea, this formula virtually eliminates the appearance of wrinkles and fine lines, making the neck appear slimmer. The organic aloe vera, coconut oil, and sunflower seed oil reduce sagging, leaving you with a younger-looking neck. The number 5 position is held by Blissava Neck Firming Cream. Prevent fine lines, wrinkles, and firm your neck skin with the Blissava Neck Firming Cream. This neck tightening cream also has anti-aging properties that keep your skin firm and young looking. You can also use this cream as double chin reducer cream and for arms, legs, or elbows. The cream is packed with powerful ingredients like glycolic acid, hyaluronic acid, vitamin B5, vitamin E, vitamin C, peptides, elastin, and more. These ingredients keep your skin hydrated, treat skin discoloration, slow down aging, improve skin texture, and make you appear younger. The number 6 position is dominated by Strivectin TL Advanced Tightening Neck Cream. Strivectin's Advanced Neck Tightening Cream is all you need for sagging skin. This cream visibly firms and lifts your skin and reduces the appearance of age spots and fine lines. It also reduces crepey skin and increases natural collagen production. Infused with shea butter, rapeseed oil, and rice bran extracts, it prevents dryness, thinning, and further sagging. Citric acid and glycerin in this formula unclogs pores and holds moisture longer, leaving you with healthy, young-looking skin. Moving on to the next at number 7 with ROC Multi Correxion 5-in-1 Chest. This neck cream by ROC is a must-have product in every vanity bag. This anti-aging neck cream contains glycerin and blackberry leaf extracts, which provide hydration, improve elasticity, treat discoloration, and reduce wrinkles and fine lines. With hexanol technology and vitamin E, you can achieve firmness and youthful skin while fighting early aging signs. The formula also prevents and treats sunburns caused by the sun's harmful UV rays. The number 8 position is held by Pure Research Neck Firming Cream. Check out this best-rated collagen neck cream, which is ideal for all skin types and tones. It contains organic components such as radish root extracts, aloe vera, coconut oil, sunflower oil, and olive oil to effectively reduce wrinkles, dark spots, and fine lines. The retinol, marine collagen, and hyaluronic acid in this formula facilitate natural skin renewal to deliver firm and younger-looking skin. This repairing moisturizer also lifts the jawline and combats a double chin like a pro. Next at number 9, we have HSBCC Neck Firming Cream. Are you on a hunt for a natural neck cream that repairs saggy and dull skin? Well, say hello to this one by HSBCC. Crafted with nourishing ingredients like peptides, collagen, elastin, sweet almond oil, shea butter, and vitamin E, it actively treats wrinkles, fine lines, and age spots. It contains avocado and coconut oils to tighten skin and minimize the appearance of a turtleneck and crepey skin. Besides this, it also regenerates collagen and elastin to deliver even-toned, smooth skin. Finally, the number 10 position is dominated by BareMinerals Ageless Genius Firming and Wrinkle Smoothing Neck Cream. Say goodbye to deep wrinkles and dark spots with this tightening neck cream by BareMinerals. Powered with shea butter, sunflower oil, glycerin, sesame oil, and jasmine flower extracts, it hydrates and softens your skin. It also contains gold, edelweiss algae extracts, and age-defying peptides to promote collagen production and reduce wrinkles and fine lines. Suitable for sensitive skin, it improves skin's elasticity for a contoured jawline. That's all for today. We upload beauty product review videos every single day, so don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for the upcoming video notification.